Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratika and today I'm going to be reviewing the Glam Powder Dip Kit system by Rossi Nails. So I'm pretty impressed with this and I'm absolutely in love with this dip kit system. So it's my first dip kit system and it's so easy to use. So I'm going to be telling you guys my experience with this and what it actually contains in this entire kit, and then I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply it on your nails. So I haven't recorded how to remove these nails, but I'm going to be telling you guys two ways on how you can do this. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the entire dip kit system came in this really compact box and I was pretty impressed by how small it was. It's also very travel friendly if you want to take it somewhere else and use it. So that's pretty nice. So it actually contains the starter kit. So this contains the 3 nail polishes that you need to create this look, and I chose this glam powder. So it actually looks pink over here, but it turns out to be a bit more red and vibrant later on. So when you choose a color, make sure that you know that this color is not going to remain the same on your nails, because it's a powder and once you apply the activator and the top coat, it's going to be much more brighter. So this is a glam powder. So it also comes with this lint paper along with a few extra brushes for your nail polish bottles. So that's really good because sometimes the nail polish bottles get ruined or they pick up the color of the powder. So this is really a good idea of sending this as well. So this is a $10 voucher for rossinails.com. So if any of you guys actually want this, you can DM me on my Instagram, that is at cutenail96, and I will give you this. So you can actually buy anything on their site for $10, but you will have to pay shipping. So let me know if you guys really want this code and I will give it to you. So we also have this guide on how to apply the glam powder and how to remove it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply this. So I'm not going to be going over this again. But then there are 5 easy steps on how to remove these nails. It's not that easy to remove these nails because they stay for a really long time. So I guess you definitely need to follow this to actually remove these nails. So first of all, you need to remove the shiny layer on top by either buffing them or filing them off. And then you need to dip your cotton ball with acetone and place it on your nails. And then cover it up with foil for around 10 to 15 minutes and then you're good to go. So it will easily come off. So the other way to remove it is obviously the peel off base coat. It's my absolute favorite. You can use it under anything. You can use it on a regular polish, gel polish. If you haven't watched my gel polish application and removal, you can check it out in the link above. So I use the peel off base coat for this as well, and it was pretty easy to remove. So you can check out how it looks after it's removed. So if you go onto their site, you have various different colors and glitters and different shades of this glam powder. So I chose this shade called as Oh Dear from their Christmas collection. So this glam powder is actually very sparkly. It has a little bit of silver as well as big chunks of silver in it as well. So this color is also really pretty, but this is sadly not the one that you get in your final manicure. So I also have a coupon code for you guys, that is Pratika Swarna, and you can get 20% off their site on any of your orders. So I'll be putting a link to all of this in the description box below, so you can definitely check it out. And now let's get into applying this on my nails. So first up, we need to apply a base coat, and this is the most important part. You need to make sure to apply the base coat completely on your nail. So don't forget to apply it on the sides of your nails as well, because this is the base for the powder to stick to. So next you got to dip your nail into the powder at a 60-degree angle and let the entire powder stick onto your nails. So the process from applying the base coat as well as dipping the powder needs to be done really fast. You should not allow the base coat to dry. And next you need to use a brush to just brush off the excess powder around your nail. So once that's done, you can see this is such a pretty color. This has the most pretty silver glitters. It has the tiniest ones to a bigger chunks of silver glitter. So I'm going to be repeating these steps once again to bring out that color as well as for complete opacity. So we're going to be applying a base coat once again, and then we're going to be dipping the nail into the powder, and you can see that we're getting complete coverage by doing this the second time. So this time make sure to completely remove the excess powder around your nail using a brush, So you can see that the color has become more red, and next we're going to be applying the activator. So this is again another step, and without this the powder is not going to be set onto your nails. So just apply a thin coat of this activator completely on your nail and let it air dry for about 1 to 2 minutes. So next, use a filer or a buffer to just buff out and even out the shape of the powder. So this kind of feels a bit thicker, so you can just even it or flatten it down by buffing it. So don't worry about the color, it's just going to remove the surface and flatten it down. And then you can use the lint paper along with some acetone to brush off and just remove those pieces of powder that are left behind. So once this is done, you can finally apply the top coat and just apply a very good even amount of the top coat, and this will bring out that shine, and you can see this color has totally changed from pink to red, but it's absolutely stunning. I love how bright this color is and it looks super glossy. So it's pretty amazing that it stays for around 21 days. And this is the perfect manicure. You can do anything over this. There are so many different powders and so many different colors of powders that you can find, and they will look absolutely pretty. So the top coat just takes another minute to dry. On total, you can do this manicure in just 5 minutes. So basically, you take 1 minute for the base coat to dry, another minute for the activator to dry, and finally the top coat takes 1 or 2 minutes. So it's super easy, and let me know if you guys tried this before. If you guys like this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to not miss any videos, and also give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment box below if you have any questions on this. So that's all for today's video. See you on the next one.